Hello, my name is Rajneesh Kumar and today I welcome you to the Eastman Techno Expert session. In today's technical session, we will provide you with some important information related to home UPS servicing. In this video, we will talk about how to check the Mains SNS Transformer. Today we will learn how to check the Mains SNS Transformer. First, apply 220 volts AC to the input wires of the transformer. Then, on the outside C and 2 connectors of the transformer, there should be 12 volts AC between pin number 1 and 2. Similarly, there should also be 12 volts AC between pin number 3 and 4. If you are getting the correct voltage readings, it means your transformer is absolutely fine. If you are not getting these readings, it means there is some issue with your transformer. Now, if you check the resistance on the input side pins of the transformer using a multimeter, it should read 2k ohms, and on the output side between pin number 1 and 2 the value should be 50 ohms. Similarly, the value between pin number 3 and 4 should also show 50 ohms. I hope the information we provided will be very useful to you. Thank you very much for staying with us until the end of this video. To watch more technical videos like this, please like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Eastman is a global specialty materials company that produces a broad range of advanced materials, chemicals, and fibers.